Hello, crafty friends. Welcome to Freebie Friday. So here is a preview of what I'm going to make with this week's freebie. All right, stay tuned so you can see the freebie. Here is today's Freebie Friday. It matches the Spring Up and Bloom digital kit that came out on Monday. And in the kit, I didn't make journaling cards, so I thought this would be perfect to add for the Freebie Friday, so you could have journaling cards to go with the kit. There's 4 journaling cards, there's some ephemera, and then there's also these little tags that can either be attached to the journaling cards or, you know, whatever. If you would like to get this freebie, you want to join Cara, Brandon, and Friends on Facebook, and then you will see it in the download section. Also, every Friday in the group, if you've posted a picture from the previous Friday using this digital or this freebie, then there's a drawing to receive 50% off an item in my shop. So pretty cool. All right, I'm going to cut these out. I might print them again actually on thicker paper, and then let's make something. Be right back. I have cut out, attached to or glued to some coffee dyed paper, and I did some stitching that I love to do around all of them. Inked them up, and then from the, that I had it right here. From the Spring into Bloom kit, I took these tickets. Let me show you the page. Somewhere. There they are. So there's an ephemera page in the Spring into Bloom, and it has, these aren't tickets. I keep calling them tickets. These are labels. So I cut these out because I thought these would be fun to add on to the journaling cards. Kind of like my favorite thing to do. You haven't noticed? I guess I'm in a rut. I don't know, but it's just my favorite thing. And then, of course, my favorite Tim Holtz field note stamp. Man, words are hard. Stamp set. And I just love doing this, making them look like little field note label things. So I'm going to take one of these. Let's see, what color do I want? I think I want, maybe this one. Well, I'll do a couple and then we can see. I just love that look. I love it. All right, so there's quite a few. I'll probably use this guy. Get him ready. Okay, so how about, oh, I need a scrap paper. How about I do this in the corner? Let me try this. There we go. We'll stick that right there. And trim this off. There we go. I love it. Piece. It is perfect for the 1-inch punch. So you can just put it in and punch it out. So that's nice. And then how about we make a little dangle on this one. Get out my eyelet. I have numbers on my fingers. I'm the worst stamper. The worst. Smush. And then we'll do the same to our card. Try and get it up here in this corner. There we go. I think in my other video, I was calling these bull pins. They're bulb. Bulb. There's a B on the end. Good grief, Cara. I rewatched kind of when I was editing the video. I watched and I was like, oh my gosh, Cara. I crack myself up sometimes. All right. They're not bowl pins. There's no bowl coming out of there. It's a bulb because it looks like a light bulbs. Gosh. Oh, goodness. Anyway, so I'm going to use this little tag and then I'm going to layer up a little piece of lace. And we'll stick this guy. Oops. Probably need to put this through first. And kind of layer this up. And then there we go. Oh, it's cute with the little danglies. You know what? We should add a stamp. Why not? Let's add a stamp. I think this one. There we go. I think this stamp set, my sewing machine, and my this guy are my most used tools in my craft room. Oh, I like that. Okay, and then what can we do with this one? I do have over here the types keys that I made. We could do that to this one. I'll link that video. We did that last week in a video. Ooh, silver would match this guy. There we go. And it's nice that I made up a bunch, so then they're kind of on hand to use. This would be better if I had a silver one, but for now this will work. There we go. Oops. Get these all going the right direction here. Oh, which way does it want to go? I don't know. Cute. Does it need something? Well, I have this lace. This is pretty. So just a little bit of that down at the bottom. Trim that off. There we go. Cute. All right, one more. What should we do? Ooh, I think this one needs a label for sure. And let's stamp something on it. You know what? Might be crazy pink. We'll see. We want to do it rare. Oh, that's not too bad. It's definitely bright. This, like that. Oh, I had that one. Whoops. I feel like it needs something else. What does it need? Not sure. Not sure. Well, yeah, the pink is a little bright for that. Can I take this off? No, it's on there. Oh well. All right, well, I think we'll leave that one like that. And then I have all these other bits in my tin and use another time. All right, so we have our 4 little cards and our fun bits. And thanks for hanging out and making with me on this Friday. Again, you can get this freebie from Cara, Brandon, and Friends on Facebook. And the Spring Up and Bloom kit is still on sale, 50% off in my Etsy shop. All right, have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.